We are here to change the future of payment by creating a unique product available to all, the One. Already today, One is a brand with more than 3 million followers worldwide and with its own platform, dealshaker, where the OneCoin cryptocurrency is the preferred payment tool by retailers. dealshaker is an online deals marketplace and advertising service provider with a membership-based customer base. The platform enables business-to-customer and customer-to-customer deal promotions in combination of cash and the new age mass cryptocurrency, the OneCoin. The OneCoin is the only cryptocurrency that has its own ecosystem, providing security, compliance, and working successfully to reduce price volatility on this market. We are proud to say that our users will be able to choose among a growing number of OneCoin related and connected products in the areas of education, payments, exchange, business app solutions, trading and investing, and more. Unlike money issued by governments, there is a finite number of OneCoins, 120 billion One, ensuring they cannot be affected by inflation and are impossible to counterfeit. No complicated hardware or advanced knowledge is needed. The centralized model protects its members' safety and ensures compliance on anti-money laundering. By being the first cryptocurrency storing KYC documents in its new blockchain, we set a new industry standard. The One is the first global cryptocurrency for everyone. Join the financial revolution and be a part of it.
OneCoin has, since 2014, been spreading around the globe, gaining ground of hundreds of thousands of miners, traders, and users, rapidly adapting to the new company, improving people's lives in every corner around the world. The current monetary system we know today is going through a tremendous change globally, and we are moving into a new era. Now, you have a completely transparent opportunity in front of you. And the best part of it is that you can design it to your own preferences if you are interested in building your portfolio and creating a profitable stream of income. This is your chance of being in the forefront of something new, something emerging, and something that future historians would refer to as revolutionary. By joining the concept, you not only profit from the cryptocurrency, but also position yourself for the future economy. We believe that decision-making is based on information, and it's now up to you to make use of the information given to you. Make sure to get your questions answered by the person who showed you this video and get started. Remember, it's no longer a question if cryptocurrency will have an impact on our future economy. The question is, are you ready for the new economical change emerging upon us?